Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing our first doily on our piece. For all three doily types this will be the same, only the egg will look slightly different on the bottom. Otherwise the string will be coming out in the same place on all three teeny tiny doily styles. You want to match your design to your piece to your design, and make sure that you have it laid out correctly. Your string should be coming out on the right side, and what we will do to begin is you're going to be working this way, going up. So you want to go through that bead that is just above where your string is coming out. You take your string and you'll go through just that one bead that's right above where it is. And then you're going to add 4 beads in this order. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for my piece it's going to be all high, which means I need the light green. So we'll put on 4 of those. Now, where your string is coming out, you want to go to the bead that's on the opposite side. Your string is coming out here, so you want to go to the bead on the opposite side. You'll go through this bead going towards the bead your string is coming out of. And then you have added your first 4 beads for this row. And then in the next video I'll show you how to add the rest of the circles or beads for the row, whether you have the short one, the long one, or the egg. The egg, only the very last one will be different, but otherwise you'll use the same technique for it as well. Hope to see you there.